explaining arc length and area of a sector. So the equation for arc length is S equals R theta, and the equation for area of a sector is A equals 1/2 R squared theta. Okay, so theta always has to be in radians, and sometimes they give it to you in degrees, so you have to change it to radians by using either pi over 180 or 180 over pi. Okay, and then R equals radius. So our first problem we will be working through is find the length of the arc intercepted by the central angle given in answer in exact form, which means that the answer has to have pi in it. So when we have R, so if we're doing arc length right now, so that means we're going to use the S equals R theta equation, and we're going to plug in all the variables that we know. So far we know R, which is the radius, is 10. And then our theta is 24 degrees, but it always has to be in radians. So we're going to do 24 times pi over 180. And then you always put the 180 degrees on the bottom so you can cancel out the degrees. And then you're going to do it's top times top, bottoms times bottom. So it's 24 pi over 180. And when you simplify that, it is 2 pi over 15. Okay, so that equals our theta. So now we can plug that in to our equation. Okay, so right here you do top times top, bottom times bottom again, and so you're going to get 20 pi over 15, which simplifies to, pi over 4 pi over 5. And that equals S, so this is our answer. And then to find the next question, to find the area of a sector, you would do find this shaded region. And so then you use this equation. Okay, so we already know that our radius is 10, so it's going to be 10 squared. And then our theta, which is over here, is the same. So you're going to do 2 pi over 15, and then 1/2. Okay, so if you do 100, so 10 squared is 100, and you times it by 1/2, that will be 50. Oh, yep, 50 over 2 pi over 15. This is 100 pi over 15, which equals 20 pi over 3. And that is your area. So, same equation to find arc length.
Yes.
Except this time they give you the diameter instead of the radius, so you have to just cut the diameter in half to find the radius, so the radius actually equals 5. So you plug that in the equation, so R equals 5. And again, this is in degrees, so you have to change it to radians, so it's 30 times pi over 180. You get 30 pi over 180, which equals pi over 6. Pi over 6, I looked at the wrong name. Pi over 6. Okay. Plug that into your theta. Top times top, bottom times bottom. 5 pi over 6 is your answer for arc length. Now, okay, marker is quitting on me. New one. Okay, now we're going to find the area of this shaded region with the same numbers. So that's A equals 1/2 radius squared times theta. So radius is 5, so it's going to be 1/2 times 5 squared, or pi over 6. Okay. Okay, so 5 squared is 25, and then you times it by a half, and you get 12.5. And then you have to do,
Pi over 6.
yeah, times pi over 6. And then top times top, bottom times bottom. And that simplifies to
25 pi.
25 pi over
12.
12. That is the simplified answer, and that is your area.